Let's just state the obvious. For complex, US-based enterprises, the illusion that one-size-fits-all software actually works, it's finally breaking. Welcome to this Executive Explainer, where we're going to dive into industry-focused software development by Cognativ.
So, you might be wondering, why exactly does generic software fail complex industries? Well, off-the-shelf platforms inevitably stall out when they're forced to meet the unique, high-stakes demands of your specific sector. They just aren't built for your reality.
Think of it like a puzzle, where the pieces don't quite fit. Generic platforms rely heavily on rigid templates and an outside-in design approach. But your actual operating reality? That demands strict regulatory standards, highly complex workflows, and totally custom data models.
Section 1. The operating reality, built for complex environments.
Cognativ anchors its engineering right inside these highly regulated sectors. Because whether you're managing patient care in healthcare, routing global supply chains and logistics, or securing transactions in fintech, your software absolutely has to support unique workflows and survive some seriously intense compliance pressures.
Section 2. Engineering for the enterprise, what Cognativ builds.
So here's what they actually built. Cognativ connects deep industry knowledge with AI-first systems, cloud modernization, and workflow automation. It's all brought together into a single, highly practical delivery model that sits on top of a secure, scalable architecture.
You see, technical architecture is ultimately meaningless unless it's directly tied to your business strategy. Cognativ essentially combines technical execution with business consulting. This ensures your systems perfectly reflect the specific workflows and actively mitigate the operational risks of your exact industry.
Section 3. Rapid execution, clarity, speed, and confidence.
Now, to align stakeholders and truly de-risk these massive investments, Cognativ uses what's called the RAPID framework. It's a 5-step process. First, research uncovers friction. Then, analyze isolates the root causes. Plan maps out practical paths forward. Implement manages the disciplined delivery. And finally, decide maintains your momentum by resolving any blockers.
Section 4. SmartSaaS readiness, surviving real operating pressure. Getting the software delivered is really just the beginning, right? To guarantee long-term viability, there are 6 pillars of SmartSaaS that ensure your systems survive real-world pressure. We're talking usability, scalability, security, operational fit, data readiness, and actual business value. It's about tech that works exactly the way your people do.
So, what's the big takeaway here? Ultimately, Cognativ partners with U.S. enterprise teams to modernize operations and seamlessly connect workflows. They do it using deep strategy, AI, and that rapid execution model we just looked at, completely avoiding the usual marketing hyperbole.
If your organization is outgrowing generic platforms and needs something built for reality, I'd highly recommend exploring Cognativ's industry expertise or scheduling a consultation at cognativ.com. And I'll leave you with this final thought to chew on. Is your current software built for the software industry, or is it actually built for yours?